na you start with the land use plan, di ba? Ito yung plano, saan ang mga tamang lokasyon, bawa, agricultural land. Ito yung mga prime agricultural land, di ba? Galing yung information na yan sa Department of Agriculture, sa National Irrigation Authority, no? Ito yan, irrigation projects nila na existing, proposed or ongoing, di ba? That's CLUP. And then there's another one. After the CLUP, the Comprehensive Development Plan. To DILG leads this. Pag meron, alam mo na kung saan ilalagay, ito na yung listahan ng mga priority projects ni local government. This is under DILG, no, overseeing this. So, yun ang gagawin ng next ng LGU. So, one of our trusts, we signed a joint memorandum circular with DepDev, DBM, TUF, DSUD, and DILG. We wanted to harmonize the planning, budgeting, investment, and budgeting process. Meaning, dapat ang CLUP, ang basihan mo ng CDP, the Comprehensive Development Plan, and the Comprehensive Development Plan should be the basis for the investment and budgeting of the budget of the local government. So kung susundin mo yon, so maiiwasan mo dyan yung parang yung mga projects na hindi nakalagay sa plano. So I think this will be a long-term solution. So meaning, regardless kung pagkapalit ng mga local government unit, ng mga heads, no, local chief executives, if you follow the planning process, you will never get lost. All they have to do is oversee the implementation of these plans, because the CDP, the Comprehensive Development Plan, will identify projects, programs, policies that are based on the needs of the local government units and their development trust and their functional role, no, dun sa probinsya o sa region.